Welcome to the Milster Mike channel. I filmed an unboxing of the bottom rifle, which I don't know if I'm going to put up on the internet or not. It's kind of cheesy. But I did some horse trading this weekend and had a couple of really good pickups. The bottom rifle is a Brownells Retro, the BRN-16A1. And the top one is an one of those Israeli kit builds from DSA. So, and in looking at it, you know, I've thought it would just be like a kit on DSA receiver, but there's a lot of Israeli parts, a lot of Israeli marked parts on that, so I'll have to break that down in a later video and show y'all. But right now I'm just going to take these out to the range and do some first shots.